Okay, first question. Who wakes up very late in the morning? Second, who's very slow in eating?
Third question.
Who's very slow in brushing? Who's very poor in reading?
Next.
Who doesn't listen to mommy?
Next.
Who's very naughty? Okay, last question. Who watch more TV?
Both. Okay. Say bye.
Challenge finish. Bye. Subscribe, share, like.
Water so cool, water so clear. Laughing and playing, there's nothing to fear. Jumping and splashing all day long. In the water we sing our happy song. From morning till night, we play with glee. In the water's dance, we are so free. Every drop a friend, every splash a cheer. Oh, how we love when water is near.